Welcome to aminacademy.com. In engineering mechanics, let us discuss about motion of rotation. Some introduction will do. Some bodies like electric motor, pulley, shafts, flywheels, etc. have motion of rotation, that is angular motion, which takes place about the geometric axis of the body. The angular velocity of your body is always expressed in terms of revolution described in 1 minute. For example, if at an instant the angular velocity of rotation of body is n rpm, that is revolution per minute, the corresponding angular velocity omega in radian may be found out by discussed as follows. Look here. First, one revolution per minute equal 2 pi radian per minute, means one revolution have 2 pi radians, that is 360 degree have 2 pi radian. Therefore n revolution per minute is 2 pi radian per minute, and angular velocity is written as omega is equal 2 pi n radian per minute. That is, same omega can be written as 2 pi n over 60 radian per second, means 1 minute is 60 seconds, so we are dividing 60, it becomes radian per second. Now some important terms. Regarding rotational motion. First one, angular velocity. Is the rate of change of angular displacement. Rate of change of angular displacement. This denoted by omega. Then second one, angular acceleration. Angular acceleration is rate of change of angular velocity. Rate of change of angular velocity. We have to represent alpha. It may constant or variable now. Next is angular displacement. Angular displacement, which means it's a total angle through which a body has rotated and is usually denoted by theta. It is total angle rotated, angle through which a body has rotated. A body has rotated. And is usually denoted by theta. Therefore, we can express theta equal omega into t, where t is a time in second. Omega equal to radian per second and time is second. then theta become radians. Now next we'll discuss about motion of rotation. Motion of rotation. Motion of rotation under constant angular acceleration. Under constant angular acceleration. Angular acceleration. We'll discuss this one. Let omega 0 is initial angular velocity. Angular velocity radian per second. Omega is that final angular velocity, also radian per second. T is time in seconds, time taken by the particle, particle to change its velocity, to change its angular velocity from omega 0 to omega in seconds. Alpha is angular acceleration in radian per second square. Theta is total angular acceleration. Theta is total angular displacement. Angular displacement in radian. Now we have omega equal, therefore we will start one by one. Omega equal omega 0 plus alpha t, it is a 1. Now average angular velocity is omega 0 plus omega by 2. Therefore total angular displacement we can say is equal, total angular displacement equal, that is theta equal average angular velocity into time taken for that one, that is equal theta equal omega 0 omega over 2 into t. From this we have theta equal the value is omega from 1, so omega we have already, so we have omega is omega 0 plus alpha t plus omega over 2 into t. Then this is equal omega omega 0 plus it is omega 0 plus omega equal to alpha t plus omega 0 by 2. This is 2 omega 0 plus alpha t over 2 into time, which is equal 2 omega 0 t by 2 plus alpha t squared by 2. These two cut, so we have omega 0 t into half alpha t squared, which is equal theta. Then this is 2. Now from 1, that is from 1 we can get t equal omega minus omega 0 by alpha. Substitute in into we'll get theta equal omega 0 into omega minus omega 0 by alpha plus half alpha t square, that is omega minus omega 0 by alpha the square. Theta equal here then theta I can get it omega 0 plus omega by 2 average velocity into omega minus omega 0 by alpha, which is equal here a plus b minus b, that is we can get it omega minus omega 0 the square by 2 alpha. Therefore we use omega square equal omega 0 square plus 2 alpha theta. This is a third equation of rotational motion. This and this one and the first one first is omega equal to omega 0 plus this is the first one. Here next there is some relation between angular velocity and linear motion, angular motion. Here first linear motion versus angular motion. Here initial velocity u and is omega 0. Final velocity is v, this is omega. constant acceleration A, here constant acceleration is alpha. The formulas here V equal U plus AT, here omega equal omega 0 plus alpha t. Final velocity is V square equal U square plus 2as, where s is a distance traveled. V square equal to, then omega square equal omega 0 square plus 2a theta, and distance traveled, here distance traveled is here theta. Then here V equal ds by dt, here omega equal d theta by dt. Acceleration, differential acceleration A equal to dv by dt, differential of velocity with respect to time. Alpha equal to differential of omega by dt. These are the important relation between linear motion and angular motion. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.